Now, we don't have really freezing temperatures on the board just yet, but looking ahead to next week, some 40s are going to be in place for Corpus Christi proper. So here's a look outside right now. It is another cold or rather chilly and dreary evening here in the coastal bend. 55 degrees right now. Temperatures falling a few degrees into the night. We'll stay in the 50s it looks like tonight, but I want to point out that wind chill falling into the 40s because we're going to keep a pretty breezy wind as we kick off our Saturday. So temperatures and wind chills in a Saturday morning. Be ready for this. 40s for your feels like temperature, 45 in Freer, 47 Alice, 46 Orange Grove. That again is the feels like. 44 Beeville, possibly down into the mid 40s for Corpus Christi as well. Even on the beach, if you're walking early as the sun is coming up, still cloudy anticipated, but those temperatures even out on the beach staying in the 50s overnight. We'll get into the 50s, upper 50s and low 60s throughout the day tomorrow. Freer staying on the colder side, 52 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So it will be on the cool side for your Saturday. If you are planning to be out and about, be alert. The best chance of rain is going to be Saturday morning, but it's still really just kind of that light rainfall that we've been dealing with, and a little bit of pockets of some of that drizzle that you may notice on your windshield, mostly if you're driving. Otherwise, you barely notice it. We stay gloomy, so our temperatures aren't going to vary very much. We're going to keep them in the 50s. It looks like much of the day. Wind chills, again, a couple of degrees cooler than that actual air temperature. So your weather impact is it feels colder than you think, so bundle up and have the rain gear handy just in case you need it. As we are looking at our temperatures, this is an interesting trend. Of course, we do have the big warm up headed our way into Monday. 82 degrees your high. Then the cold front is trending earlier in the day on Tuesday, but the timing of this front will play a role on how warm it actually gets there on Tuesday morning. Or Tuesday afternoon rather. So we may trend a little cooler, but I want to point out these numbers. This is 10 degrees or so cooler than our average low right now. We're talking 40s for Wednesday morning and Thursday morning. That's when the coldest air will be in place behind that cold front that moves in. And a lot of that has to do with how dry conditions are getting. So if you looked at those temperatures, the difference between the high and the low was minimal. Today, tomorrow, Sunday, into Monday, we start to see that change a bit, but once we get this drier air in place, very dry, have the lotion ready for Wednesday, that is when our temperature spread increases because we have sunshine in the afternoon, dry conditions overnight. That's not the case over the weekend, of course, but sunny and warm conditions heading into Monday, cooler with the cold front moving through. We actually could put colder with those lows in the 40s. 7-day forecast, here's what we're looking at. Up and down temperatures, they're continuing. We do see our best shot at rain. Again, it looks like Saturday morning to me. Then the rain chances fall to around 30% or so on Sunday. A slim chance for a little bit of rain on Tuesday with the front passing through, but it looks like a pretty dry passage. And then we'll see sunshine and cool weather. Honestly, Wednesday is going to be one of those kind of perfect winter days where it's cool and sunny.
It's looking like it. A perfect December day for us here in
like
South Texas. We'll take it. Carly, thank you. Still ahead.